Nike SB Dunk Low, Chunky Dunky. This is my review, my predictions, my description. Right, so let's get into the design of these trainers. As you can tell, they had a lot of fun. From the front, you can see the synthetic fur that's on there. You got sky blue leather on the front, you got some leather at the side. On the bottom it's all green. From the back you can see the Nike logo, you can see the cloud stitching. It's got some fur at the back as well. It's got a white base as well as the green. Look at the tongue. The tongue on this side is white, but on this side is black and white, so it's a little bit different. With these SBs you get 2 extra laces, you get the yellows, you get the greens. But by far my favorite thing about these design is the melting swoosh. This brings us on to resale. These were originally dropped on the 26th of May. The hype for them then was absolutely crazy. It's a month later and nothing's changed. You struggle to pick up a pair of these for less than £1,400 or $1,800. They're predicted to go well over £2,000 in the next year. So if you manage to cop one of these, which I did at retail price, you're in for a huge profit. Personally, I will not be selling mine. They'll be in my collection. But if you're into reselling, the longer you hold on to them, the more money you turn out to make. These SBs for me are sneakers of the year by far. I know there's some off-whites coming out. I know the Jordan 1 collab with Dior is coming out as well. But for me, incredible design. For me, trainer of the year. That's it for the review today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way. See you in the next video.